cut, glue, fold. Wow. Mr. Mincecrafts. Hi, friends. Today we're making 3 fun and easy leaf animals: a lizard, a baby whale, and a cute little elephant. Perfect for a summer craft day. Once upon a time, deep in the greenest garden, lived a very quiet and clever lizard. She wasn't just any lizard. She was made of magical leaves. Let's help her come to life. First, we need her head and body. We'll choose 2 smooth green leaves, just like this. Now, we add her tail, made of tiny leaflets, curled like a secret path in the forest. And now, it's time for legs. Lizards have strong little legs to climb rocks and run really fast. Did you know? Lizards love to stay warm in the sun, just like a little solar-powered creature. So let's make her a cozy place to relax. A sunny rock garden made of smooth stones. 1 stone here and another one there. This will be her favorite spot to nap after adventures. Now she's happy and ready to rest. Our leafy lizard is complete. Once upon a time, in a sparkling blue ocean, lived a baby whale named Wally. He wasn't made of bones and blubber. No, he was made entirely of magical leaves. Let's glue on his big round belly. That's where Wally keeps his laughter. Wally loved to roll in the waves and play leaf tag with jellyfish. Here we go, gluing his back now so he can do backflips underwater. And here comes his left fin, the one he uses to wave hello to sea turtles. Let's add the other fin now. Perfect. With both fins, Wally can spin like a leaf tornado. Now the tail, the most important part. Wally uses it to splash, dash, and race starfish across the ocean floor. And a tiny top fin for balance, like a little green sail. Now, we build Wally's ocean home, a garden of seashells and shiny pebbles. Can you spot the secret cave where he hides his leaf cookies? Did you know? Whales sing songs underwater, and each one is different, just like fingerprints. Wally's song sounds like rustling leaves in the wind. What song would your leafy whale sing? Far away in the leafy savanna, there lived a gentle elephant named Luma. She wasn't an ordinary elephant. Her body was made entirely from green jungle leaves. Here we add the big leaf, Luma's strong, kind face. She could sense every breeze in the air with her leafy ears. We gently place the second leaf. This becomes her other ear, soft and wide, perfect for listening to the whispers of the wind. Next comes the third leaf, strong and broad. It forms her back, where she carried not burdens, but dreams and morning songs. And now, with great care, we add the 4th leaf, bent just so. This magical piece becomes her face and trunk in one, curved like a question mark, always wondering, always kind. Carefully, we glue on her powerful legs. Luma used them to stomp through puddles and make the raindrops dance. Did you know? Elephants can hear with their feet. When thunder rumbles far away, they feel it through the ground, like secret messages whispered from the earth itself. If you enjoyed crafting with leaves and meeting our gentle elephant friend, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment, share your own magical creations, and tag us if you post them. And of course, subscribe to our channel so you never miss an adventure. More wonders await, and we can't wait to explore them with you.